In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your withdrawal bank account in the Robinhood app, whether you're switching banks or just updating where your cash lands. This walkthrough will show you how to safely remove an old bank and link a new one so your deposits and withdrawals work exactly as expected. Start by opening the Robinhood app and logging in. Once you're on the home screen, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, look for the three-line menu icon at the top left and tap it to open the main menu. In that menu, select Transfers. This is where all your money movement settings live, including deposits, withdrawals, and the accounts you've connected. Scroll down until you see Linked Accounts. Here you'll find the bank accounts currently attached to your Robinhood profile. Tap the bank account you want to remove. On the bank details screen, choose Unlink. This will remove the current withdrawal bank from your profile. If you see a message about pending transfers, don't worry, this is normal. You may need to wait until those transfers clear before the unlink can complete. Avoid starting new transfers during this time so the removal goes smoothly. After your old bank is unlinked, head back to the transfer section and tap Add Account. Choose Bank Account and follow the on-screen prompts to connect your new bank. You'll typically have two options: linking securely through a provider like Plaid or entering your routing and account numbers manually. Plaid is usually faster because you can select your bank, sign in through your bank's secure portal, and confirm the connection right away. If you prefer manual entry, be extra careful typing your routing and account numbers to avoid any issues. Depending on the bank, manual verification can take longer, and you may need to confirm small test deposits later. Once your new bank is linked, it will be available for both withdrawals and deposits. Before you exit, it's a good idea to double check that the correct bank shows as linked and ready. If you plan to withdraw soon, give the app a moment to refresh and then initiate your transfer as usual, selecting the newly added account. That's it. You've removed an old bank and added a new one inside Robinhood, keeping your transfers secure and up to date. For the smoothest experience, keep the app updated, make changes when no transfers are pending, and always confirm details carefully. Thanks for watching and happy investing.